Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Assistive Touch so you can replace broken physical buttons. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and enable Assistive Touch. This gives you a persistent, on-screen control. Once done, customize the top-level menu to add Home, Lock Screen, and Screenshot so you have immediate access. Make sure the floating button is positioned where your thumb naturally rests. This approach is fast and reliable because it maps virtual actions to button functions you normally use. Now practice using the virtual controls and gestures to perform common tasks. Tap the Assistive Touch button for Home or Lock, and use custom gestures to simulate double press or long press when apps expect those inputs. Additionally, set up back tap and accessibility to trigger screenshots or app switching. This gives you quick access without any button. Use Reachability and Control Center for volume and brightness adjustments. By combining these, you recreate the full workflow of a working iPhone without hardware buttons. Finish by adding redundancies and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Enable voice control to perform taps, swipes, and app launches by voice. It's a strong fallback when the screen is responsive, but you need hands-free control. If the device freezes, restart from settings right arrow general right arrow shut down and power back on. This avoids using physical buttons. If Assistive Touch becomes unresponsive, toggle it off and on or update iOS to resolve software glitches. This usually fixes errant behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.